Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start HCF and LCM. We have an example. Find the HCF of 18, 22 and 54 using division method. First, we divide 54 by 22. 22 2s are 44. We subtract 44 from 55, we get 10. Now 10 is smaller than 22, we take 22 as a dividend and 10 as a divisor. 10 2s are 20. We subtract 20 from 22, give us 2. Again 2 is smaller than 10, we make 2 as a divisor and 10 as a dividend here. 2 5s are 10, it gives us 0. 2 is the last divisor, so 2 is HCF of 22 and 54. Here 2 is HCF of 22 and 54. Now divide the number 18, which is last number here in the question. Now divide the number 18 by the HCF of 22 and 54, which is 2. So 2 9s are 18, give us 0. 2 divides 18 with 0 remainder. So 2 is the HCF of 18, 22 and 54. This method is called division method. Now we have LCM using prime factorization. LCM stands for least common multiple. First, find the prime factors of all these numbers and then use the formula. LCM is equals to product of common prime factors multiply product of non-common prime factors. For example, we have two numbers 12 and 28. We take the prime number factors of these numbers like this. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. 6 divided by 2 give us 3. And 3 divided by 3 give us 1. Now we have 28. 28 divided by 2 give us 14. 14 divided by 2 give us 7. And 7 divided by 7 give us 1. Now the prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. And prime factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. Common prime factors are 2 and 2. Look at here, 2 and 2. Non-common prime factors are 3 and 7, which is here 3 and 7. LCM, we have a formula here. Product of common prime factors multiply product of non-common prime factors. We use this formula here. Product of common prime factors multiply product of non-common prime factors. LCM is equals to, we have a common prime factors are 2 into 2 and the non-common prime factors are 3 into 7. 2 into 2 give us 4 and 3 into 7 give us 21. 4 into 21 give us 84. So the least number of oranges is 84. So the LCM of 12 and 28 is 84. We have another example of the same prime factorization for finding LCM. Find the LCM of 12, 28, 48 and 72. Similarly, we make the prime factors of each number like this. 12 divides 2 give us 6. 6 divided by 2 give us 3. 3 divided by 3 give us 1. 24 divided by 2 give us 12. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. 6 divided by 2 give us 3. 3 divided by 3 give us 1. Now 48 divided by 2 give us 24. 24 divided by 2 give us 12. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. 6 divided by 2 give us 3. And 3 divided by 3 give us 1. Last one we have 72. 72 divided by 2 give us 36. 36 divided by 2 give us 18. 18 divided by 2 give us 9. 9 divided by 3 give us 3. 3 divided by 3 give us 1. Prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now take the common prime factors. 2 is common in all these 4 numbers. Again 2 is common in all these 4 numbers. Now check the 3. Now check the common which is present in three numbers. Now this 2, 2 and 2, it is present in 3 numbers, so it is also common. 3, 3 and this 3, 3, this is present in all 4, it is also common. 2 and 3, this is not common, so it is known as the non-common prime factors. LCM, product of the common prime factors multiply product of the non-common prime factors. LCM is equals to 2, this one 2, last one 3, which is common in all 4 numbers. Now this 2, which is common in the 3 numbers. So these are the common prime factors. Now the non-common prime factors are 2 and this one 3. So 2 and 3. We take the product of these numbers, it gives us 144. 2 into 2 give us 4. 4 into 3 give us 12. And 12 into 2 give us 24. 24 to give us 48. And 48 into 3 give us 144. So the LCM of 12, 24, 48 and 72 is 144. LCM using division method. For example, find the LCM of 28, 36 and 45 by using the division method. Write the given numbers in a horizontal line like this: 28, 36 and 45. Separating them by commas. We separate them by commas like 28, 38, and 48. Divide them by a suitable prime number which exactly divides at least 2 of the given numbers. For example, we have 2 which divides 28 and 36. So these are the at least 2 numbers which is divided by 2. How? 28 divided by 2 give us 14. 36 divided by 2 give us 18. And 45 as it is we write it down. Again 2 divides 14 and 18 also. So 14 divided by 2 give us 7. 18 divided by 2 give us 9 and 45 as it is. Now we have a 3 prime number which divides 9 and 45. So 9 divided by 3 give us 3 and 45 divided by 3 give us 15. 7 as it is. Again 3 divided by 3 give us 1, 15 divided by 3 give us 5. Now 5 divided by 5 give us 1 as it is and 7 as it is. 7 divided by 7 give us 1. Continue the process until all the quotients are 1. Now you check all these quotients are 1 and this division is completed here. Now LCM, product of all prime factors. These are all prime factors and we take the product of these all prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 give us 1260. Thanks.